Before we get into the news on Cardano from this past week, let's look at the charts really quickly. We're going to go to the weekly chart first, and we've seen this massive down leg. This occurred a couple of weeks ago after the SEC said that Cardano, along with other altcoins, were securities. Now, in order for a bottom to be established, what I like to see is a double bottom, and we did not get that as price reached roughly 25% before surging back to the 30-cent level. All right, so let's get into the news from this past week, and then we'll get right back into the charts. This article is coming from Finbold. Cardano adds over 2,400 new wallets per day in June. Despite occasional hiccups in the crypto sphere caused by businesses going bankrupt and regulators filing lawsuits, Cardano has been recording steady growth in terms of its adoption during the week of June. So the SEC filed a lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase in recent weeks. As it happens, Cardano has been adding an average of 2,446 new crypto wallets every day since June 1st, bringing the total number of Cardano holding addresses to over 4 million addresses. All right, let's get into the next article. This is coming from You Today. Cardano created a response to allegation he spends others' money. So Charles Hoskinson, renowned crypto entrepreneur and mastermind behind Cardano, found himself embroiled in a controversial recently after sharing snapshots from his expedition in search of aliens. One of Hawkinson's followers responded to the post with a sarcastic comment, jesting, "Hey everybody, check out how I'm spending your money." Unwilling to let the comment slide, Hawkinson took to Twitter to defend himself vigorously. In a series of tweets, he rebuked the notion that his own funds were in any way connected to his followers' wealth, calling it a weirdo communist idea. All right. Going over to the next article, this is from Daily Coin. Cardano flashes bullish trend with 30% reclaimed in daily wallet surge. Cardano ADA is finally showing signs of recovery following the unwarranted pressure it faced from the SEC's security classification. Having rallied 8% in a single day, the token has continued to surge, gaining an additional 8% to reclaim a crucial level. I agree. 30 cents is a round hole psychological number, and that is a crucial level. As we'll get into the charts, there are other crucial levels above that, and we'll see shortly. The recent performance of Cardano ADA has infused investors with excitement as they eagerly anticipate a summer bull run. Now, I do think that we are near and exiting the crypto spring. Literally, yes, we are in summer. So a summer bull rally may occur. All right, this article is coming from also Daily Coin. How does Celsius selling Cardano and bankruptcy impact users? So in the wake of TradeFi's newfound interest in the crypto industry, the market is showing signs of recovery. Leading tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano have all reclaimed crucial levels. However, amidst this positive momentum, now bankrupt crypto lender Celsius wants to drop a bombshell that could send tremors through the industry. No, I don't think it's a lot of tremors. On June 15th, Celsius announced it would sell its customers altcoins valued at 200 million. That's not much, excluding custody and withhold accounts starting July 1st. All right, let's get into this other article. This is coming from YouTube. Cardano founder says he gets confused with Vitalik. I don't think they look alike. One wears glasses, one doesn't. That should give you the indication that they don't look alike. But nevertheless, founder of IOG, the team behind the Cardano blockchain, Charles Hoskinson, has taken to Twitter to refute a rumor that has been circulating. The crypto Twitter, according to Hoskinson, people emerge from time to time who claim that he used to work for Ripple Labs. Hoskinson stated that some people on Twitter claim that he used to work for Ripple in his early days as an intern. The Cardano founder debunked that rumor, saying he had never worked for Ripple Labs in any capacity, adding that they are likely confusing him with another crypto billionaire, Vitalik, Ethereum creator. In 2013, he presumably was an intern at Ripple. Now, maybe some of the confusion also comes from these guys were on the same team in the early days of Ethereum. That's right. Vitalik and Charles all were early developers in Ethereum until Charles branched off. All right, the last article. You guys are doing great. This comes from AMB Crypto. Cardano FUD on the rise despite network development. Since June 21st, the token jumped 10% in value, closing near the 30-cent level per coin market cap. Even though investor sentiment improved because of the price rise, the overwhelming mood was still negative as shown by sentiment. The U.S. SEC labeling of ADA as a security might be acting as the primary fuel for lingering negativity. While ADA was impacted by the ups and downs of the market, developers continue to put in their hours to improve the prospects of network. And we see this throughout the entire crypto space, in particular Solana. Despite the price declines, the ecosystem developers within Solana are still developing. One of the most notable achievements was the launch of the latest version of the Lace wallet, version 1.2, which includes new additions like browser support, a new privacy feature, and enhanced speed. While Cardano's attempt to improve the network were praiseworthy, some concerns arose by looking at its development activity chart. The metric which tracks the work done in the project's public GitHub repositories showed a sharp decline since June 8th. Now, this is nothing to me. Cardano is one of the leading blockchains out there in which development is occurring. A drop could deter potential investors from participating in the network. Coincidentally, the dip started when FUD around the project's token ADA strengthened. All right, so yeah, this is true FUD. Now, let's go back to the charts. And like I said, I was expecting a double bottom to signify a true bottom. Nevertheless, price has increased because of the BlackRock news of filing an BlackRock a Bitcoin spot ETF, and some of the big entities on Wall Street opening up and establishing their crypto exchange. All right, now levels that I am watching in the short term. Again, this drop, the origin was from the SEC when they filed the lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase, and also stating that ADA was a security. All right, so now, again, prices are up from 25 to 30 cents. We can still get a double bottom. It's not out of the question. This is what, roughly 15 to 20% rise. So pullback is inevitable. Nevertheless, what I like to see is the blue moving average is turning up, right? That's a sign that we are definitely have bottom, or at least the momentum has died to the downside. What I would also like to see in the coming days is a close above the orange simple moving average. But that's not here or there. Here are the two levels that I'm looking at, and I am going to label them as daily. See the volume there. Volume's not crazy. So I'm not going to label these as daily sellers levels because just the volume is, I guess the volume's decent. Let's do it. Let's do it. Daily sellers at the 0.32 level. We also have another one on top of that at the 35-cent level. All right, so here's what I'm watching this week. I am anticipating a slight pullback, maybe to 27 cents before potentially resuming higher. If you got in below 25 cents, maybe you might want to consider taking some off the table, as there are daily sellers at 32 cents. Look for a next target at the 35-cent level where there's daily sellers as well. However, if you are in it to win it, let's go to the weekly chart. Again, I don't anticipate these levels reversing price, just potentially a pullback before the next impulse higher. But if you're in it to win it and you got in at, sub 25 cents, your next level of resistance is going to be at the 45-cent level. All right, let me know what you think. Has Cardano bottomed? Are you in it to win it? Are you just looking for the short-term games? Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See ya.